Wait until you see these 20 Amazon home finds. Some of these products are so clever, you'll wonder how you lived without them. From hidden storage solutions to space-saving furniture and unique home upgrades, these finds can completely change the way you use your space. And trust me, you'll want to see what's coming at number 20. Links to every product are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Cabo Deseado Shampoo and Conditioner Dispenser, $19. Upgrade your bathroom and keep your shower essentials neatly organized with this convenient shampoo and conditioner dispenser. Its wall-mounted design helps save valuable space while keeping your favorite products within easy reach. The clean, compact setup can help reduce countertop clutter and make your daily shower routine quicker and more convenient. Number 2. Mydethun Moon Lamp. Add a cozy touch to your space with this beautiful moon lamp. Its realistic moon-inspired design creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere, making it perfect for a bedroom, living room, or nightstand. It's a simple way to add decorative lighting and a calming vibe to your home without taking up much space. Number 3. The Ofiray-home over-the-door organizer is a clever way to add extra storage without taking up valuable floor space. It gives you convenient spots for toiletries, accessories, cleaning supplies, pantry items, or other everyday essentials. The over-the-door design makes unused space work harder, helping keep your home neat, organized, and clutter-free. Number 4. The Keonjinn round medicine cabinet is a stylish way to add storage while giving your bathroom a modern upgrade. Its round design adds a clean, elegant touch, while the built-in storage helps keep medicines, toiletries, and everyday essentials neatly organized. It's a great choice for making the most of your bathroom space without sacrificing style. Number 5. The HapiRm towel racks for bathroom are a simple way to keep your bathroom neat and organized. They give you a convenient spot to hang towels while helping free up valuable wall and counter space. With their practical design, they're perfect for keeping towels within easy reach and giving your bathroom a cleaner, more organized look. Number 6. The Evermagin 6 Tier Tree Bookshelf is a stylish way to add vertical storage without taking up too much floor space. Its unique tree-shaped design gives you plenty of room for books, decor, plants, and everyday essentials while adding a modern touch to your home. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, or small spaces where smart storage really matters. Plus, its compact footprint makes it an easy fit even when floor space is limited. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 7. The Vikaqi wall-mounted clothes drying rack is a smart space-saving solution for keeping your laundry area organized. Its wall-mounted design gives you extra drying space without taking up valuable floor space. It's perfect for apartments, small laundry rooms, bathrooms, and anyone looking for a convenient way to air-dry clothes while keeping the home neat and clutter-free. Number 8. The VASTATIO folding dining table is a smart choice for anyone who wants a stylish dining area without giving up valuable space. Its folding design makes it easy to adjust when you need extra room and tuck away when you don't. It's perfect for apartments, small dining areas, or anyone looking for flexible furniture that makes everyday living more convenient. Number 9. The Faesun 360-degree swivel side table is a clever and versatile addition to any room. Its 360-degree swivel design makes it easy to move the tabletop into the perfect position, giving you a convenient spot for your laptop, coffee, books, or everyday essentials. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or small spaces where you want flexible furniture without taking up too much room. Number 10. The Usofhaus bamboo folding desk is a smart space-saving solution for creating a functional workspace at home. Its folding design makes it easy to set up when you need a desk and fold away when you want more open space. The bamboo finish adds a warm, natural look, making it perfect for bedrooms, apartments, home offices, or small spaces. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 11. The EHEYCIGA Cardboard Cat Scratcher is a fun and practical addition for cat owners. It gives your cat a dedicated place to scratch, stretch, and relax while helping keep them away from your furniture. Its compact design makes it easy to place in a living room, bedroom, or cozy corner, giving your pet a comfortable spot to enjoy. Number 12. The ansefe Black TV Stand is a stylish way to upgrade your living room while keeping your entertainment area neat and organized. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch, while the spacious storage gives you room for media devices, gaming consoles, remotes, and other everyday essentials. It's a great choice for creating a clean, functional entertainment setup without making your space feel crowded. Whether you're setting up a new apartment or refreshing your living room, this TV stand adds both style and practical storage. Number 13. The QIVOMIX Shoe Cabinet Storage is a smart way to keep your entryway neat and clutter-free. Its compact design helps organize your shoes while making better use of your available space. It's perfect for apartments, bedrooms, entryways, or small homes where every inch of storage matters. Instead of leaving shoes scattered around, this cabinet gives everything a clean and organized place. Number 14. The SocTone Telescoping Ladder is a smart, space-saving solution for reaching those hard-to-access spots around your home. Its telescoping design lets you extend it when needed and collapse it down for convenient storage. It's great for reaching high shelves, changing light bulbs, cleaning, decorating, or tackling everyday home projects. When you're done, it takes up much less space than a traditional ladder, making it especially useful for apartments and smaller homes. Number 15. The Smuxee Bathroom Corner Cabinet is a smart way to turn an unused corner into valuable storage space. Its compact design fits neatly into tight areas while giving you room for toiletries, towels, skincare, and everyday bathroom essentials. It's perfect for smaller bathrooms where every inch counts, helping keep your space organized, functional, and clutter-free. Number 16. The Casaottima Tree Bookshelf is a stylish way to add vertical storage without taking up much floor space. Its unique tree-inspired design gives you room for books, plants, photos, and decorative pieces while adding a modern touch to your room. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, or small apartments where smart storage makes a big difference. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 17. The Little Tree Wood End Table is a stylish and functional addition to any living space. Its warm wood design adds a modern touch while giving you a convenient surface for lamps, books, drinks, or everyday essentials. It's a great choice for living rooms, bedrooms, or small spaces where you want useful furniture without sacrificing style. Number 18. The EDISHINE RGBW floor lamp is a stylish way to add both lighting and atmosphere to your home. Its modern design fits easily into living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices, while the RGBW lighting lets you create different moods for relaxing, working, or entertaining. It's a simple home upgrade that can brighten up your space and add a modern touch without taking up much floor space. Number 19. The SONGMICS Laundry Hamper with lid is a simple way to keep dirty laundry contained and your space looking neat. Its lidded design helps keep clothes out of sight, while the spacious interior gives you plenty of room for everyday laundry. It's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry areas, especially if you want a clean and organized look without adding clutter. Number 20. GODONLIF Candle Warmer Lamp. Create a warm, cozy atmosphere with this stylish candle warmer lamp. It gently warms your candle while adding a soft glow, making it perfect for a bedroom, living room, or home office. It's a simple way to enjoy your favorite candle scents while adding a relaxing touch to your space. If you enjoyed these Amazon home finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart and useful products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.